AirDrop is an iPhone feature that allows you to wirelessly transfer files between nearby Apple devices. In today's video, we're going to walk through the simple steps of airdropping photos from your iPhone running iOS 18 to your MacBook. This simplifies sharing by eliminating the need for email or external storage. Let's get started. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Now find the photo you'd like to share. Tap on it to open it full screen. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a row of icons. Look for the Share icon. It looks like a square with an arrow pointing upwards. Tap it. Here, you'll see various sharing options. Scroll until you find the AirDrop icon. Tap on it. Your iPhone will now scan for nearby Apple devices. If prompted, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone. This allows your iPhone to find your MacBook. Make sure your devices are placed within Bluetooth range. Select your MacBook from the list of devices. Now, switch over to your MacBook. You'll see a prompt asking if you want to accept the incoming file. Read the prompt and click Accept to save the photo. Once the file is received, you'll see a confirmation message on your iPhone indicating that the file was sent successfully. To send more photos, simply repeat these steps. When you're finished sharing, tap Done on your iPhone. And that's it! You've successfully airdropped photos from your iPhone to your MacBook. It's a quick and easy way to transfer files between your Apple devices. Indeed, AirDrop is a fantastic feature for seamlessly sharing photos and other files between your Apple devices. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help our channel grow. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorial videos.